Welcome to our exploration of the organizing process in business management. We'll delve into the factors that shape how tasks, roles, and structures are designed, ensuring businesses operate efficiently and align with their strategic goals. Several factors influence organizing in a business, including the environment, strategy, size, staff, and culture. Stable environments allow rigid structures, while dynamic ones require flexibility. Strategy alignment is crucial, with innovation needing flexibility and cost leadership demanding hierarchy. The size of a business impacts its structure. Larger organizations require complex structures, whereas smaller ones can function with simpler, flat structures. Employee skills also play a role, affecting task allocation and supervision needs. Organizational culture influences structure preferences. Collaborative cultures lean towards flatter structures, while formal cultures favor hierarchical ones. Adapting organizational structures to these factors helps businesses remain efficient and competitive. Organizing involves structuring tasks and resources to achieve objectives efficiently. It includes job design, departmentalization, and establishing authority relationships. Proper coordination ensures all departments work together, aligning efforts towards common goals. Thank you for joining us in understanding these fundamentals.